One of the new features in Photoshop Elements 15 is what Adobe is calling their drag and drop feature, and that is used in the templates, and we are calling those a droplet templates. The interesting thing about this is that you don't have to have PSE 15 to use these. It'll go back, we've tested them all the way back to versions 10. I didn't have 9 installed on my computer, and I didn't know anybody that did, so that's as far as I've tested it. So 10 through 15 can use these. 10 through 14, it's a little different process than 15, and I'm going to show you the difference between those two tonight. So let's go ahead and take a look at 15 first. There are a few things that you need to know, or basically one thing that you need to know and understand before you work with these templates, and it is a new feature to Photoshop Elements 15, and that is called groups. A group is just a set of layers that are grouped together. It's almost like putting files into a folder and having different folders for your layers. So these are all grouped folders, and you can tell that because of the little icon. Looks like there are several pictures there, or several layers there, and there's this little bracket. If you click on that bracket, you can expand it to see what is in this particular group. This particular group has a text and a mask in it to correspond to the frames on the template. So you can go ahead and close those. You can turn that on and off just like any layer. So to use these templates, it truly is a drag and drop feature. The key to tell Photoshop Elements that you want to add something is this text right here. So you click here and nothing happens, but if you click on the text, your folder will open, or you will get your Windows navigation pane here, and you can navigate to whatever folder you have your pictures in. I happen to have all the ones I'm going to use tonight in the same folder just for ease. But say if this opened up to one of my other folders, you would just navigate to where you want to go, just like you would anywhere. So I want this picture as my background, and I will hit place, and it automatically places and resizes the picture to the frame that I have selected. And that's all there is to it. If you want to change your picture, you can click on this little folder right here, and it will open up your whatever, your navigation pane, and I'll go ahead and replace it with this one. And you go, I don't like that. I'm going to go back to the other one. And it's as easy as that, because once you click on that text, it is replaced by your photo, so you won't have the opportunity to click on the text again. You have to click on the folder right here. Or I was thinking you might be able to click on the picture itself, but no. So let's go ahead and just populate these. I have these numbered according to how I would think of it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I'll just go ahead and do this just very quickly so you can see how quick it is. These were all taken in the Galapagos Islands, so they're all kind of scary little animals here. Well, not this one isn't scary. This is my husband. It was actually his birthday, and he was running on the beach that day. So when you get something like this that isn't centered, all you have to do is just make sure you're on that layer, and just like anything, just drag it over. If you are by chance on the mask and you go to grab the picture, you're going to move the whole thing, and you don't want to do that. So I will do Control-Z to get it back in place, make sure I'm on the photo, and then move it if I like.
So easy.
When you want to flip something or rotate something, you can click on this blue little icon here, and it will rotate it for you. Whoops, I'm on the wrong one. Sorry, this one right here. To bring these options up, if they are not visible, double click on the image and it will rotate it for you. You can resize it by using the slider. The only thing you can't do is flip it. However, you can go ahead, again, make sure you're on the photo and come up here to your regular edit and flip it here. There you go. I want him looking into the picture. So that, again, you can come up here and do the rotation, any 90-degree rotation you can do down here. If you want to replace it, the same thing holds. I don't have the little icon up there. Double click on it and go to your folder, and I think I'm going to replace it with this little guy here.
To watch more of the click and add templates, or as we call them, droplets, go ahead into the membership area, go down to the 2017 members only classes, and I believe it's on the second page, so you will have to scroll down to hit page number 2 and all the way down, and you will see templates became easier with the click and add droplets with Karen. It goes into a lot more depth in that hour-long training. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. I'm Michelle Stelling. Bye for now.